Subject General Science. Topic Matter in our surroundings. Subtopic Effect of change of pressure. So we already learned that the defined state of matter is depend on the nearness of molecules, that is particles. What will happen when we start putting pressure and compress a gas enclosed in a cylinder? That is, when we increase the pressure on the gas, due to compression, the molecules of gases come close nearer and it converted to liquid. What about you know about the carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide gas, when it is under high pressure, when compressed, then it directly converted to solid without conversion of liquid. That is, due to high pressure, the gas can convert into solid. Then evaporation. Next topic, evaporation. We know that liquid evaporate, suppose water evaporate, whenever it reach up to its boiling point. But what happen if the water is left uncovered? Water when left uncovered slowly changes into vapor. You know that wet cloth, it is dry up when we spread in under air or sun. So evaporation, it is not only depend on the temperature, it is also depend on the surroundings, suppose speed of air, temperature, humidity in air, etc. We know that particles of matter are always moving and are never at rest. At a given temperature in any gas, liquid or solid, there are particles with different amounts of kinetic energy. In the case of liquids, a small fraction of particles at the surface having higher kinetic energy is able to break away from the force of attraction of other particles and gets converted into vapor. This phenomenon of change of a liquid into vapors at any temperature below its boiling point is called evaporation. So we understand that the evaporation is not only depend on the temperature, it is a gaining of kinetic energy, higher kinetic energy, and the movement of particles also higher. Now, what factor affects on evaporation? Let us go through an activity. Suppose take 5 ml water in a test tube. And keep it near a window under a fan. Take another 5 ml water, open on a beaker, and another 5 ml water you take in on a open china dish and keep it near a window or under a fan, and another 5 ml water on a china dish, open china dish, inside a cupboard. What will happen? Among these three different places the water keeping. So you know that the china dish, open china dish where water is kept and keep under fan or near the window, it will evaporate faster in comparison of a test tube. Test tube, its area is smaller than a China dish. China dish area is larger. So the evaporation is depend on the area, space. So what factors here affecting? You must have observed that the rate of evaporation increases with an increase of surface area. We know that evaporation is a surface phenomenon. If the surface area is increased, the rate of evaporation increase. Similarly, an increase of temperature also the evaporation become faster. With the increase of temperature, more number of particles get enough kinetic energy. As a result, it evaporates faster. And if the water particles in air is more, then the evaporation will be slower. The water particles in air is called humidity, and humidity, if it is more, then rate of evaporation is less. And wind speed also affect on evaporation. That is why in dry that means in a wet cloth, if it is sprayed under air pressure, that means air blowing area, then it will be dry up faster. So these are the factors that evaporation is affected. And evaporation also cause of cooling. That is, in a particular area, if water particles is there, then water keep in a container, then due to evaporation the surrounding area become cooler. That is why near the seashore, the sea breeze also such type of mechanism happening. And due to this factor, the cotton cloth is suitable in summer season, because cotton cloth absorb sweat from the body. As a result, the body become that means due to absorbing of water in the cotton cloth, the body keep cool. That is why summer season cotton cloth is most preferable. That's all. Now you need to prepare some question. Question number 1. How does pressure help the change of state? Of matter. Number question 2. Suggest a method to liquefy atmospheric gases. Question number 3. What do you mean by evaporation? What are the factors of evaporation. That's all. Thank you.